Okay. I'm not super happy with my trading today. I mean, I made money, but Baidu was good. Roku was good until I started doing some dumb shit. GPS was fine, I think. So let's see here. What do we got first? First, we traded Baidu. Yeah, Baidu. So thought process going into it. Continuation playoff yesterday. There's not much in the way until 127. So we opened, bounced off the pre-market level. I was looking for maybe a bounce off of 121.80, which was a daily level we have, but we didn't quite make it there. We only made it to 122.20. So we bounced back up, got in long right above the VWAP here. Took an add in after we bounced off the pre-market high. Could have been a little bit better with the add in. Could have maybe wait. I don't know. That was hard. I should have added in down here in reality, but I was a little bit hesitant. Partial 125.50, and this is the correct. So my stop was under that, obviously. I didn't get stopped out, but this was the right add. And once I saw this hold up here, that was the correct spot to re-add in. Then just two more partials, 162.25 and 127. And as you can see, then we dumped off from there. So that was a really good trade. That is a 4.8 R trade. And then what was next? GPS was next. So my plan was to get short under one of these levels. And I saw here, we took a hammer after breaking down, tested it, failed, so I got short here. Stopped me out when it broke right above, but I re-entered in short again. Did I take another trade on this? How did I lose $70 fucking dollars? Oh, on the trade before, I see. So I took it short again after I got stopped out. Not the greatest entry. This should have been my entry. I was watching it and I hesitated. So I got in short. We sold down. My first partial was 16.30, which would have been more than 2-1, but that was daily level we had and pre-market low. Final target was going to try to be 16.10, but obviously we didn't get there. Yeah, came back against me, stopped out, break even. Next trade was definitely Roku. Yeah, next trade was Roku. So my bias going in, oh, look at this. Did I trade this like a fucking idiot just now? Yeah, I did. I did trade this like a moron just now. Okay, so my bias going in was a continuation to the short side. So I was looking for it to test one of these daily levels and get rejected or break one of the supports and just keep falling down because there's really not that much in the way. So off the open we were strong. Tested 122, which is one of the resistances I'm looking to get short under. We come back up, we're holding above it, then we break below for a little bit. Bring this bigger so we can see. We break below it, we test it, I go short here. Comes back against me, I get stopped out. A little bit less than an R. And then we break below. And this is where I fucked up. We break below. We test it. Get rejected. I get short again. Good entry. And then I do this. I add in here, which is just doesn't make sense. This is a terrible add-in. We have not made a higher high yet. So why would I add in there? And then me being the dumbass I am, I said, oh, I'll just scalp this long because this is a good long setup, you know. The break above VWAP hammer. Oh, I'll get long here. I sold. I don't even know what the fuck I did here, actually. But I obviously did not scalp it. That was just me being a dumbass. This is the spot to re-add in. Once we break down under this, once we get rejected, we make a higher high or a lower high. That's where I should have been adding from this position. So all this shit in between is stupid. This is the correct short. My first plan didn't work. Nothing wrong with this. That just happens. Second plan, we're rejecting 55 again to get short here. And we come back up, try to break over the moving average on the 5. We can't. And we start failing, and that is the other short I should be taking. I'm trading like these stupid micro movements. And then I got in here again, and I said, like when I was over here, I said, what the fuck am I doing? This is a stupid trade. This doesn't make sense. So I just got out. So it might go my direction, it might not. But, yeah, it's just kind of poor trading on my part. The hard part is, at this point, is once this is the new high. Is this the new high? I don't think so, if we're in the longer term trend type of trading. So I wouldn't consider that a new high. But yeah, traded kind of poor. Traded really good on Baidu. I could have added in. Other than that, I traded that really well. But this trade could have been better. Could have been better. Okay, so at least ending the week good. Green. Yeah. Thank you guys. I will see you Monday.